Good morning. For folks here today, I will say that we don't have a lot happening this morning, but we want to tend to everything efficiently. So Ms. Fox, Renee Fox, can you unmute and possibly get on screen? Good morning. I'm Judge Person. I welcome you to court this morning. And actually, we were down to two cases, and you're the first one in with Mr. Matson. It's actually a private meeting that happens between the prosecution and the defendant, and that would be yourself and Ryan Matson. Mr. Matson, can you introduce yourself?
Good morning. I'm Ryan Matson. I'm the prosecutor for Temple.
Thank you. Good morning to you both. And so that meeting is actually something where y'all break out and have that meeting and then come back and talk to me. Sometimes cases are resolved that way. And so the court finds that it's sufficient to utilize this platform in order to see if that's a possibility. That doesn't mean that you have to negotiate, and it doesn't mean you have to settle. It does mean that both parties should take a good long look at their case and decide if they want to try to engage in some kind of plea bargain. At this level, sometimes folks, it's rare that the state will dismiss the charge. Every now and then I see that. I can't commit them to a position. And sometimes I also see that they make some sort of negotiation that could include reductions. It could include some type of dismissal. Deferred dispositions are the most frequent thing that I see at this level, where that would apply to your particular type of case as far as dismissals go. With a deferred, I want to just let you know what that is. That's actually a period of time where a person does certain things that are listed in a court order, namely not reoffend. We work out whether they need a class or not, whether a class is recommended. And also we sort out payment and payment options there as well. So that's something that y'all could talk about potentially. And I know Mr. Matson is equipped to have that discussion. So I'm actually going to move y'all over to that meeting, but after that meeting, you'll come back here. Okay. Okay. So I'll move y'all over to that meeting now. Oh, I'm just hot as blazes. Maybe. Good morning. On the telephone, what is your name, please?
Rios.
Okay, hi. Is this for Joshua Rios?
Yes.
Okay, and who are you?
My name is Casey Rice. I'm his wife. He's at work right now. So I wanted to see, does he have to show face, or can he be on the Zoom call? Because if I can call him right now and he can join.
Yeah,
but he's a mover.
Can you get him on the phone? Because he's next.
Okay. Can I add him to this call?
I don't mind if you can do that.
Okay. Sorry.
It's okay. You're Casey Rice?
Yeah, his wife.
Okay. Yeah, let's try that.
Give me 1 second.
Okay. I'm the judge. Thank you. It's probably just funny. Yeah. Don't we all? You're a lifesaver.
Hello.
Hi.
Can you hear, Josh, can you hear her?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna mute myself.
So I'll actually just remute y'all. We're waiting for the prosecutor to come back into the meeting. He's meeting with the first person that showed up, and y'all are second. And, you know, there's dismissal options that he can talk to you about, potentially. And I did want to ask, has the vehicle been registered? Did y'all register the vehicle?
Do what?
This is a registration charge. Were y'all able to register?
Yes.
the vehicle?
So we're trying to figure out. So the issue is the owner of it. He's been in prison for a few years.
Okay,
So I guess the DMV said we have to get a power of attorney letter, and then leaving his wife as power of attorney, and then his wife would have to get the registration.
okay. Why don't, I'm gonna go ahead and mute you for just briefly. And y'all will have the conversation with the prosecutor about that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, just hold on. It'll be just a few minutes, not long.
Okay. All right.
Thank you. Okay, I'm moving Renee Fox back over. And Mr. Matson, and can we get an update?
Your Honor, Ms. Fox has an offer that she's going to be giving some consideration to. If we could actually get a reset date for sometime after the Thanksgiving break, I think that would be ideal.
That's fine. Ms. Fox, I see that you're in Round Rock, so I'm assuming that online platform would be a better option for you than coming into court. Is that a correct thought?
I was actually explaining to Mr. Matson that my dad lives in Temple, and so I actually travel to Temple several times a week to help take care of him.
So you want to come
So
on?
either way works. I don't know if, I mean, I was explaining that I had some video and some pictures, so if it's easier for me to come in person to show that, then I can also do that.
Okay, well, we'll schedule you to come in here. Let's see, our next available is December 14th.
That's a Thursday, I believe.
Should be, yes.
Yes, that would work.
Okay, we will email that to the email that we have on file. Is that a good way to contact you?
Yes.
Okay,
And is that at 9 a.m.?
yes, ma'am, it sure
Okay.
is.
Okay.
8:45 is probably even
Okay.
better. Okay, we'll see you then.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mr. Matson, I have Joshua Rios on the phone, and I'm going to ask them to unmute. And I did explain to them that they were waiting to have a conversation. I say they because it's he and his wife. They're on a hybrid call because she got him on the line. He's working, but he stopped in order to have this conversation. And so far, what they've let me know is that the vehicle is owned by a person who is in prison. I'm waiting for them to unmute. If y'all could unmute on the phone, please. The person who owns the vehicle is in prison, and they're in a process trying to get that dealt with, and they can tell you more about what that entails.
Okay.
But folks, can y'all unmute your phone? Joshua Rios, Casey Rice, can y'all unmute? And y'all are actually calling from a different phone number, and I can't see the whole number. So calling back on, oh, there we go. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now we
Hello?
can hear you. Okay, yeah, we can hear you. I'm going to move y'all over to a private meeting with the prosecutor because the pretrial that you're scheduled for today happens outside the hearing of the judge. So that prosecutor is Ryan Matson. Mr. Matson will be in the meeting with you.
Okay.
There they go.
Thank you, Judge.
You bet. Oh, send it back to me. I assumed that was the truthful statement. I shouldn't have.
I even recall the name that was on the and he said, oh, yeah, I'm thinking, and I said, that's not what I didn't see. And he was supposed to call me back.
Okay. So moving them back over. Okay, where are we?
Hello?
Yeah, hi, we can hear you. Hang on just a moment. Mr. Matson, can you tell me where we are on the Rios case?
Your Honor, we're gonna enter into terms of deferral. This term is gonna be a 120-day deferral period with a updated motor vehicle registration submitted by day 60.
Okay,
And the fine is gonna be paid out in 3 installments, $51 at the end of the first 30 days, and then $50 30 days from then, and $50 30 days from then.
okay, so we're entering a deferral with some sort of updated registration by day 60. We're going to count that day to be January 23rd. And the 30-day mark for the first payment is December 21st. The 60-day mark for a $50 payment is January 23rd. And the 90-day mark for the final payment is February 20th. And this all needs to be in writing and signed. Mr. Rios, when do you get off work today or have a lunch break?
I should be off by noon today.
Noon?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you come by at noon or 1 o'clock?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, we'll look for you around noon at the clerk's window at the court and we'll have your paperwork ready. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Any questions?
No.
Okay, then everybody's free to go. Thank you.
All right, thank you.